Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL 10 Top Max and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages, which should be at the very top. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language simply. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Netherlands. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. Be aware that sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be also able to pick the region. So, as you can see, we've got the Netherlands added, but still English is the main one. So, in order to actually change it, we have to tap on it and hold it, tap on the one you would like to use and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, actually immediately the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in chosen language. So remember, the language you'd like to use must be on the first place. So let me change it to English again. And as you can see, we've got English applied. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we can mark the language we'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon again in the right upper corner. Now let's confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your TCL 10 Top Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.